show you how I turn my nasty, dirty, day 3, haven't washed it hair into a cute ponytail that you'd actually not be embarrassed to wear out in public. So I washed my hair 2 days ago. Honestly, it's not bad for day 3 hair. I'm just gonna say that. It's not as oily as it could be. I did do a little dry shampoo on day 2, so that has absolutely helped. And I just did get back from a dry climate, so that also really helps. So the first thing when it comes to making my hair look cute and a little bit more fresh is obviously dry shampoo. Now, if you want to avoid dry shampoo, but you still want to do your hair like on a day or 2 or 3, then go for a slick style. You can check out my tips on how to do a slick back look in this video here, and that way you won't need to use any dry shampoo, because I know not everybody likes to use dry shampoo. I am going to use the Batiste dry shampoo. Really quick, let's address people's concerns. Can it make your hair fall out? I mean, no, if you use it, your hair is not going to fall out. If you use it day after day after day without properly cleansing it off of your scalp, yes, it can clog your hair follicles, which can cause excess hair fall, but the product itself is not going to make your hair fall out. It's just sort of like putting makeup on your face day after day after day and never washing it off. That's going to cause problems, but the makeup's not causing problems. It's the lack of washing it that's causing problems. Same with hair products that can build up, like dry shampoo. Just wash your hair really well and don't use it every single day, time after time after time, without cleansing your scalp and your hair, and you won't have a problem. It has alcohol in it. Yes, it has alcohol in it. That's literally one of the ways that it helps to dry out your hair so it doesn't look oily anymore. That's why it works so well compared to dry shampoos that don't have alcohol. Keep in mind, I do have a video you can look at about alcohols in your hair products, and that might answer some of the questions you have, because not all alcohols are bad, but it is the bad short chain alcohols that are in dry shampoo. But bad is subjective. If your hair is not super dry and super damaged, using dry shampoo on an occasional basis to dry up the oils on your scalp and help them evaporate really quickly isn't going to cause any significant issues. There are some controversial ingredients like butane and propane and whatnot that some people don't like to use these products because of that. Again, they are used in amounts that have been approved. They are very small amounts, but if you're uncomfortable using a product like this because of those things, there are natural alternatives. This is a great natural dry shampoo. It does work super, super well. It is called Powder Baby. This one is only available in the US. It does come in different shades, so the platinum is white, but then they have a blonde one which is more yellowy, they have a brown, they have a black. So it works really well. It is 100% natural. There is 0 chemicals in this, and it works really well. I use it in a lot of videos, but today I am going to be using the Batiste because I like to switch it up and use both. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously just put dry shampoo all through your head. Now we are going to be putting our hair up, so focusing on the crown and around our face. Because I'm putting my hair up, I don't worry too much about this area back here. Just the crown and sort of like the top and around my face is gonna get everything I need. So then we're just gonna make sure our hair is fully brushed. And we're gonna pull it up into a ponytail, and we are gonna use one of my favorite little nylon seamless hair ties that don't cause any breakage in my hair. Now, when I'm putting this ponytail up, I like to keep the hair on the looser side, but I'm gonna kind of do the looseness after. I'm not gonna like tightly tie it back in like a full slick back or anything, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it being loose at this point. I'm just gonna make sure it looks tidy and there's no big gaps or lumps anywhere. So then I'm gonna put my ponytail on the back of my head. Now, I like my ponytail to be fairly high up, right sort of at the crown of my head, so that you can see it from the front. You don't have to wear your ponytail that high. If you're not into a high ponytail, you can put it further back on your head. That's also fine, but I do like to wear mine quite high up, especially if I'm going for like a ponytail look and I'm not just throwing it up in a ponytail for utilitarian reasons. So what we're gonna do with the ponytail is we're gonna take the sides from underneath. So we're gonna take not the sides right here, but we're gonna go underneath the ponytail from this side and underneath from this side. And we're gonna pull out and forward while we do that. So out and forward. And that's going to splay our ponytail out, but keeping fullness in the center. You can do it one more time, kind of grabbing on the inside, out and forward if you want, or as many times until you get a look that you need. I find once or twice is more than enough for mine, and it will stay if you've grabbed it from the right spot. If you just grab the sides and splay out, you're not getting that lift from underneath, and that's why your ponytail then just falls down. But if you splay it the right way, for the most part, this will stay. You might have to adjust it once throughout the day. It might lose a little bit of its oomph if you're really active, but for the most part, it really stays really well. And then you can just go through and you can loosen that base, get a little bit more volume in that hair. And the way we loosen our base, as always, is grabbing the hair close to the hair tie and pulling forward. I like to pull my sideburns out. That's just my millennial support hairs, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And there we go. Super cute, super easy way to wear your hair when it's day 2 or day 3. It's a really cute, fluffy ponytail look. Really simple technique that comes out really cute, really easy, and you will have a cute, perky ponytail that people will compliment, because I always get compliments when I wear my hair like this, as opposed to just throwing it up into a really basic looking, skinny, sad ponytail, especially if you have thin hair. If you have thin hair, then ponytails can look really sad if you're not careful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps give you a good idea of how you can do your hair on the days that you decide not to wash it. And I hope it gives you some tips on how to create a really fun, perky ponytail that doesn't feel like a hairstyle that you wouldn't want to go out in public with. Hit that notification bell, because I post 3 times every single week in long form, and I post every single day on my shorts. Like and subscribe, because it really helps me out, and share this video with anyone that you think it would be helpful for. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.